My name is Jody D'Amico, and my business is D'Amico Stables and Earthworks in Loxahatchee, Florida. I've always loved horses, and I've always been involved with horses, but it wasn't until I had my children that I decided I didn't want to leave them, so I found a way to work at home with the horses that I love and be with my kids full time.
She had all the dream, everything laid out before we even bought this place. It was a lot of work when we moved in here. We put up all the fencing ourselves, had the ring built, had the barn built, and then 11 years later, we're standing here now.
It's 5 acres here, and it has a large ring with jumps and large grass paddocks. Each of the stalls has its own separate turnout so that the horses aren't stuck in a 12 by 12 space all day. And there's trails for miles around here. I love it. It's like therapy, I guess is the best way to put it, working out here.
I don't know how she does it every day. 5 o'clock out here in the morning. In the summer, she doesn't get in until 10 o'clock at night.
You have to grade the ring every day. When the horses walk on it, they get their footprints everywhere, so you have to drag it every day and get rid of those footprints so the next day they don't trip over them or hurt themselves. And also it keeps the sand at a certain depth. Who would thought that a round thing of sand is so much work?
This used to take an hour, now it takes 20 minutes. The productivity for what we use it for here is probably doubled.
You have to grade the fields, scrape the horse paddocks, move hay bales around. I use it to move the jumps around in the ring. When we're in hurricane, bring in sand. We use the tractor to get all the shutters out. The turning radius is a huge thing that I first learned on it. It's amazing how easily it turns. The bucket maneuvers really easily. It's really comfortable, which is something I wasn't used to. It just has a lot of options.
It's so much easier to work. Hopefully maybe she can get in before 10 o'clock at night during the summer.
The horses here become like kids, and same with the boarders. We're kind of like a family, and they're our children, I guess. They're all different, and they're all a lot of fun.
I think that she's one of the best role models that you can have for a mother, to show the work ethics that she has and the love and care that she has for the animals and the kids, that it's unbelievable. So I think the kids obviously see that.
I love seeing the kids be able to be around the animals, and I love seeing them interact with all the wildlife and riding with me and all that. It's special, I think.